how to factory reset any Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset any Android phone step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings on your Android phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, just tap on the option labeled as About Phone. And now here, once you see the interface like this, what you have to do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as Factory Reset. So simply tap on it. And now here, on the next page, you simply have to scroll down and there you simply have to tap on the button that says Erase All Data. And here after that, on the next page, it will ask you to enter your password. So here simply enter your password, and after that, on the next page you simply have to tap on erase everything to confirm. And once you do that, the phone will start the factory reset. And that's it. That's how you can do factory reset on any Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.